In this video, you will learn how to do keyword research for SEO content writing with zero budget. Yes, I'll be sharing with you how you can effectively research keywords without spending a dime on premium tools. But before we jump into that, a quick introduction. My name is the great Michael from SEO Content Guy, a channel dedicated towards creating compelling content that revolve around SEO, content writing, and content marketing. So if those subjects or topics are things you are passionate about or you are interested in, you can hit the subscribe button so that whenever I publish videos like this, you get to see them and consume them. Welcome back to my channel, SEO Content Guy. Like I said, in this video, you will learn how to do keyword research for SEO content writing without spending a dime. Now, to help you achieve that, I've compiled a list of 4 websites, 4 keyword research tools you can use to effectively carry out keyword research for your brand or for your business without spending a dime. All right. The first on the list is Also Asked. Also Asked is a keyword research tool that you can use to conduct keyword research for your brand or for your business. How does it work? It basically digs deep into the people also ask section of Google search engine results page. So to use this particular tool, you simply up onto their website, and to up onto their website, you can just go to the Google search bar and type Also Asked. Once it's load the results for this particular query, the first option you can see Also Asked, you click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to the website of Also Asked. You can see the website of Also Asked. Now, you can either sign up for an account with them, or you can simply just run a search depending on what you want. Now, let's say, for example, I'm trying to do a keyword research as regard the seed keyword, SEO content writing. All right. So what I simply do is, okay, I will just impute that particular term, SEO content writing. But before I click the live search, I would want to ensure that all of these are things I really want, these preferences in terms of language, that yes, I want it to be in English. And for the country, United States, I can simply tweak that particular option to the particular location I'm trying to target. But I'm going to leave it at the USA, that is the United States. Then I'm going to click the live search. Now, I've clicked on the live search. You can see that people Also Asked is trying to extract questions from the people also ask section of Google, trying to extract this information, these questions, what people are also asking. So he's doing that. Very good. You can see this is what we have. It has presented questions that people are asking in relation to SEO content writing. You can see the map. You have the seed keyword, SEO content writing. Then we have which is better, SEO or content writing. You can see this. What does SEO mean? What does SEO mean? For this particular question, what does SEO mean? Further questions people are asking include how to do SEO for beginner. How much does SEO cost? What is an example? What is an example of SEO? You can see some of these questions people are asking. How does SEO work for dummies? All right, you can see what is SEO content writing. What are the 4 types of SEO? What kind of content is best for SEO? What is an example of SEO writing? Is SEO copywriting in demand? You can see some of the questions. So you want to carefully look at these questions and begin to sieve out those questions that are relevant to your business. Now, when I say people also ask section of Google, let me impute that say SEO content writing. This is people also ask. So this is the section basically that this particular tool Also Asked extract information from. All right, the next one is Answer the Public. Yes, Answer the Public is a very good keyword research tool you can use to conduct keyword research for your brand or for your business. Yes, it has both the paid version and the free version. But like I said, you can use it without spending a dime. Yes, how do you do that? Yes, you can simply do that by logging on to their website, answer the public, then you sign up. Once you sign up, you have something like this. Yes, something like this, whereby you can input whatsoever keyword you are trying to research on. Yes, let's say, for example, okay, I'm trying to research for lucrative keywords that revolve around SEO content writing. What I simply need to do is this search bar, I will input the particular key phrase I'm trying to search for. Okay, let's say SEO content writing. Now, there is something you need to note. You can see this 2 out of 3 free searches available for today. All right, that means I have the privilege to search for 3 keywords per day. That is for this free plan. Yes, this is one of the disadvantage or limitation when you use a free version. You have the privilege to make 3 searches per day. All right, so I've made use of one of those credits, so to speak. So I'm going to search for SEO content writing. I'm going to leave the location at Nigeria. Then for the language, English. All right, I'm going to click search. All right, you can see that, yes, one beautiful thing about Answer the Public, that yes, it uses it uses infographics to present results. Let me toggle it to list. You can see, all right, you can see you have SEO content writing versus SEO copywriting. You can see what is SEO. You can see, so preposition, questions like what, how, and all of that. All I simply need to do is to copy some of these keywords, copy some of them, and drop it in a Google Doc file. But you can see, looking at this option, because it is a free plan, there are no information as regard the search volume and all of that. This is because it is a free plan. All right, this is one thing you need to take notes when you are using the free plan of Answer the Public. And that is why I would like you to watch this video to the end, because the last one, it is a good mine. The next keyword research tool is Google itself. Yes, I know you might be surprised about that because you know Google as a search engine. But beyond being a search engine, I consider Google as a keyword research tool. And here is why. Here is why I consider Google as a keyword research tool. Now, let me show you a quick stat. How many search take place daily on Google? Now you can see 8.5 billion searches take place on Google daily. Now, that is to tell you that yes, Google is a search engine. But here is why I consider Google as a keyword research tool. Let's say, for example, I'm trying to look for relevant keywords that revolve around this particular seed keyword, SEO content writing. Now, you will observe something, that as I'm typing this particular phrase, SEO content writing, in the Google search bar, you can see possible keywords that Google is suggesting to me. This is based on the searches that takes place on their search bar, daily, monthly, as the case may be. Now, they have data, raw data, because this is where users they come to make search. Now, out of those 8.5 billion users, they come to Google and search for information as regard whatsoever subject or whatsoever thing they're trying to find answers to. And yes, and that is why I see it as a keyword research tool, because you can see Google is already suggesting possible keywords that people are searching in relation to SEO content writing. Now, I can decide to check more by just adding a letter in the alphabet. You can see SEO content writing. You can see the option SEO content writing agency, SEO content writing assistant, SEO content writing AI free. You can see option. Let's change it to from A to B. You can see SEO content writing blog, SEO article writing best practices, SEO content writing for beginners. You can go on and on like that to look out for keywords that are relevant to your business. You can see effective SEO content writing techniques. What is SEO content writing? You can see why I consider Google as a keyword research tool. Now, it doesn't stop here, because all of these are keywords, but the issue is that you don't have data.
You don't have data about this keyword as regards the competition level. Okay, what is the monthly search for these individual key phrases or key terms? And that takes us to the next one.
You now see that apart from being a search engine, Google is a keyword research tool. All right, but now there is a caveat. Now you've gotten keyword from Google Auto Suggest, but the issue is you don't have data. There is no data as regard this keyword in terms of competition level, the search volume for each of these keywords that Google Auto Suggest has provided. Now, using the example of SEO content writing. And that takes us to the next keyword research tool, that is Google Keyword Planner.
Keyword Planner is a Google's tool. Yes, a tool provided by Google that can help you to search for keywords. Yes, beyond giving you keywords, it provides data as regard these keywords, these key phrases. Now, how can you use this particular tool? You simply need to sign up for an account. Now, should in case you don't know how to set up a Google Keyword Planner, you don't have an account, I will drop a link on how you can simply set up an account and begin to use it for keyword research. Once you're able to set up an account for yourself, you have something like this. Now, unlike other free keyword research tools, there are no limits as to the number of keyword research you can carry out on Google Keyword Planner. Now, you have something like this, discover new keywords. Yes, you click on it. Now, you can see it is set up, that is, the location is Nigeria. Yes, and the default language is in English. Yes, I'm cool with that English. But should in case I'm trying to conduct a research for an audience that is residing in the United States, all I simply need to do is come to this particular, that is the location part, then remove Nigeria as the location, then impute the United States. You can see, then I save. Now you observe that yes, the location has changed from Nigeria to United States. All right, I'm cool with this. The language and the location, all I simply need to do is to impute the particular term, phrase, or question that I'm trying to research on. Then I impute it, I type it there, SEO content writing. All right, you can see Google Keyword Planner have served us results as regard this particular phrase. You can see broaden your search, content writing, you can see SEO service and others. But you can see we are interested about the data about this particular keyword, SEO content writing. You can see the average monthly search for this keyword is around 1K, 1K to 10K. Then the competition level, you can see the competition level is low. You also have that is top of page bid. You can see and top of page bid, that is high range. Now, this information is telling you, okay, how advertisers are willing to pay for this particular, to pay to rank for this particular keyword that is on the Google search engine result page through Google Ads. Now, the higher the amount you see here, it shows that such keywords has high commercial intent and also is very, very competitive. You can see the competition level here is low, but why the competition level is low? Let's say, for example, I'm trying to create content that addresses this. I will still need to do content analysis. That is to check the top ranking pages on the SERP, that is the search engine result page. But for the sake of keyword research, you can see it also provides you other related queries that relate to this particular phrase, that is SEO content writing, that you would want to explore, you want to search if truly it's something you really want to work with. Now, that is how you can use Google Keyword Planner to conduct research for whatever keyword you are trying to search for, if it is in your business, your niche, as the case may be.
All right, there you have it. Those are the 4 websites you can use to carry out keyword research for SEO content writing without spending a dime. That is with a zero budget. That being said, I would like you to like this video if you got value from it, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to get more useful information about SEO, content writing, and content marketing. Alright, until then, see you on the next one.